Feeling a tickle in your throat? Sanlo Salabat Premium Instant Green Tea got you. I have tried the newest variant of it, the Sanlo Salabat with Malunggay. It's not too sweet but a strong zing of ginger that you can feel the soothing effect down your throat. It's also a relaxing drink and perfect for a rainy and gloomy day. While for hot days, you can enjoy it with ice. It has lots of benefits and here are some of it. It can lower your blood sugar and cholesterol, helps digestion and in reducing weight, relieves menstrual discomfort, strengthens immunity, and many more. It have 4 other variants, the Sanlo Salabat Original, with honey, with turmeric, and with oregano. What are you waiting for? Begin your journey to a healthy and well-being today. Try it. Available in all leading supermarkets, drugstores, convenience stores, and Shopee and Lazada.